Today, the compressor guru shows you another way to diagnose a bad valve on your air compressor without even turning a wrench. Now, here's the compressor guru.
Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Today we're going to continue with our recent theme of diagnostics on your air compressors. And we're doing it without turning a wrench. Last episode we showed you how to chase a problem by which valve cover or what was hot and cold on your valve covers. Today we're going to show you one simple one, but we're going to show you why this safety valve is so important. So that safety valve is so important because it does several things. The most important thing it does is it protects the intercooler. The intercooler moves hot air from the discharge on the low pressure side to the suction on the high pressure side. In the process, it moves 60 psi air over to the high pressure side, where the high pressure side takes it from 60 to 175. But it also cools it. Now that cooler is only good for maybe 100 psi because it's just copper wrapped with some steel fins to make it cool better. And it's like copper tubing in your home. If your water pressure is 140 pounds, you'd blow your water pipes out. So that safety valve protects that cooler in case it overpressurizes. Why would it overpressurize? It would overpressurize if you had a high pressure suction or discharge valve fail. So you got a leaky high pressure valve, and what happens is the safety starts popping. And I can't tell you how many times I've been called on the phone, hey, I have a safety popping and I put a brand new one on and it's still popping. Did I get a bad safety? No, you got another problem. You're changing the symptom, not the cause. So that's where it's at on a QT5. I'm going to show you the top of a QR325, and any two-stage compressor, whether it's an Ingersoll, whether it's a Quincy, whether it's an Atlas, any of the other brands, every two-stage compressor has a safety valve to protect the intercooler. And I got a couple different brands here, and we're just going to show you the safety valve. But the lesson for the day is if the safety valve is popping, it might be bad, but probably not. What's probably happened is you have a bad valve on the high pressure cylinder. And that's 98% of the time you got a bad valve and not a bad safety valve. So we're going to show you some other valves on other compressors, but they all perform the exact same function.
Well, as long as we're on this compressor.
Yeah.
Hey, is that compressor for sale? It looks brand new.
Why, yes it is, and it is brand new. And we have a little bit of paint rubbed off in shipping, but free of charge. I'll put a little black paint on that before I sell this. Please call for pricing on any new machine because these prices are fluid because of the supply chain problems we've been having. And we do have some used compressors coming up for sale, but they won't be used. They will be rebuilt or repaired, and they will go out of here good because I won't sell anything that's not good.
Thank you for watching this episode of The Compressor Guru. Please hit like and subscribe and use the notify bell so you will know when the next new Compressor Guru shows you another way to diagnose a bad valve on your air compressor without even turning a wrench. Now, here's the Compressor Guru.